Okay, can I press it? Can I shoot it?
I can't see the map at this point.
Can I shoot it?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Oh my
I'll.
god!
No, it's pretty bad.
Okay.
Can you get in?
I don't know why not. Oh my god! I died instantly. I see you over there going crazy. That's awesome. Holy shit! Oh my god!
It's not responding to my steering, unfortunately. And now it's broken.
I'm gonna cut a hole in this roof. Oh my god, what the fuck happened over there? I just heard the biggest explosion in the world. Ah! That's a space bird. Oh my god! Alright, here we go.
Bro, hit the nos.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright. You think it's ready? Holy shit! What the fuck is happening down there? Oh my god! Oh my god! Here we go. 3, 2, 1, launch. Holy fuck! Oh my god! Okay. Dude, this is beautiful. Angel. Alright.
Sephiroth.
Sephiroth. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, you're writing a bunch of them. Hold on.
Yeah, oops.
I'll stick a couple more in
No,
there.
it's... Yeah.
Let's try it. I think this one is reasonable.
You got it, you got it, you got it.
Alright, let's go. Alright. I think that's good. Jack, I want to get away. I want to fly,
I want to fly away.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh no, the lag. The lag.
Look in here.
Oh my god.
This is one small step for fucking idiots. I'm taking off.
He's taken off.
Oh my god! Holy shit, this is awesome! Oh my god, are you seeing this? Oh, oh my god!
The distant sound of broken glass.
This is a propeller. I invented air travel. Oh my god, I'm going back!
That was so fast.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, that might be the hardest I've laughed in like years. Holy shit. Oh my god. Here, I'm coming to. Don't worry. Don't worry. My truck's fine.
The nitro. We get the nitro.
It's the wrong nitro,
Put in the
my friend.
nos. Put in the nos. Put in the nos. What are you doing?
I think this is a good idea. Oh my god! Hey, wait, come out of the truck real quick.
I'm almost stuck.